Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at the Clarke Quay area. I'm going to explore Clarke Quay. This is the prime spot in the nightlife, the pubs, restaurants and sightseeing, and in front of me is a riverboat. Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at the Clarke Quay area. I'm going to explore Clarke Quay. This is the prime spot in the nightlife, the pubs, restaurants and sightseeing, and in front of me is a riverboat. Look at that, and tourists are at the back. Reminds me of the boat at the Manam Park. It's quite similar, the setup. And there are some games over there. I'll be crossing, take a look. Nice restaurant, we call it the Alabo Market Cafe right here. Look at the bridge here. You can see the reflection, blue color. Wow. There's a new structure here with the 3 color spirals. A few months back I was here, I didn't see this. I think it's part of the Christmas decorations. Oh, there's a waterfall going on. This place is really unique in Singapore because there are so many parks and restaurants concentrated just in one block, one area, and combine the beauty of the shop-houses, like the beauty of the Chinatown. There are similar shop-houses, but here it's like a different kind of feel. There are more expats and foreigners. Inside NTUC Fair Price Finance, that's right, there's a private bar right here. And the normal stuff at the supermarket right here. And there's a Christmas Santa Claus. So there's the NTUC Fair Price Finance right there. Helen's Bar. It's a nice staircase, spiral staircase up to level 2. Wow. Today is Monday, so it's not so crowded. If it's Friday to Sunday, it's super crowded. But then I do see some Ammo or the expats right here. People are waiting for the boat. There's a bumboat right here. Just listen to the timing. And then you buy the tickets in front. Singapore River Cruise. For adults 28, for children is 13. The circuit block C. Like that here. Slingshot game. nice Sanrio characters right here, including Hello Kitty. How many of you are fans of Hello Kitty? Itself has a cool meal.